That's an ultimate steak burrito.
Okay, let's get to work. First up, we've got to cook our steak. There I am rendering the fat. I'll get a nice golden brown crust on there. I like my steak between a medium to a medium rare, so I call it medium plus. Look at that color inside, pink throughout, it's beautiful. Now we're gonna go ahead and set that aside once it's all sliced up and move on to cooking our vegetables in the same pan. We've got some onions, chopped jalapenos. We'll add in some bell peppers, some fresh garlic, and of course we cannot forget the mushrooms. Let's saute all of that up. This nice, easy recipe for a steak burrito. It's fast food, it's street food, it's great food. Construction time. The recipe for my garlic mayo is on my YouTube channel. I've added a little bit of chipotle hot sauce to it tonight. I'll go ahead and add my mushroom and vegetable mixture and then layer in the steak and of course, add a lot of shredded cheese. Please also remember to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. That way we can keep on cooking together with some great recipes. Cooking in my kitchen is always easy. We're always having fun. Here you're learning how to make a steak burrito. Now we're going to wrap this right up and put it back in the same pan so it can get nice and crispy and crunchy. I cook this one at a medium heat until it gets nice and golden brown all the way around. Of course, you can add your favorite dipping sauce to this steak burrito, but the flavors in here, they stand on their own merit and are fantastic.
How good is this gonna be? This is gonna be so good. Oh. Boom! This is so good. Wow! Also remember, please like, comment, subscribe, and share, and turn that notification button on so you can see every time I post a new great recipe and we can cook together. You've got to try this one. It is fantastic. Got my garlic mayo in there, a lot of sauteed vegetables, more garlic, a lot of cheese, and of course that nice, beautifully peppercorn steak. Oh boy. Look, my hands, I don't even care. Wow. Wow.